Hello everyone. Welcome everyone back to my channel. This video will guide you all. Will deploy, run like follow, fan page automatically by Facebook automation software. So here's the software first. I will help you manage multiple accounts, creating a series of Facebook accounts. I have already added a few accounts here. That's the part that supports it. This is my account management interface. Then first you go in for yourself. In the account interaction section, next you will select add script. That part. If you add a script, you will add a new script. The script name is like and follow page. Then you can choose to interact with the page. First, you will click on the Interact with On section. This page, it depends on the number of pages you want to run. Then add the UID of the page. You would hear, I will get a page. This is the UID of this page. You paste it here and then you click Save. Next, you will choose like follow. I'll leave the page here. Like follow that. In addition, you can be interactive. Seating show page. Thanks for this reaction. Invite friends to like page, invite friends to follow page. Like page, comment or comment on the page. Here I will run like and follow. I'll add one. I will do to actions. Hurry up and finally you will save yourself. That's save. Next, you will choose Give Me an Account. Facebook. Then you will choose Give Me this Facebook account. I will run 10 accounts. Then you will choose Let Me Be Your Live Script. Follow page. At the end of the day, you're going to press the Give Me a Start button. I'll check it now. So you can see this. The number of likes and followers has increased. That's when you deploy software that runs software. The software will notify you of your actions. Those are the actions. Like a successful page or like a successful page. That's the question and I've just guided you. If you are interested in software, please contact me directly via Telegram or WhatsApp. I put it below the description. Thank you and see you in the next video.